This 2021 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a neutral decor, hardwood cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, TV, awning, self-contained, slideout, skylight, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, microwave, air conditioning, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Solitude 310 GKR is 12,100 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.